Hello, hello, and welcome to the final class of Welcome Embroidery Digitizing. And it is the class number 6, and I will make this today. So let's get started. All right, then. Okay, we are making this butterfly. All right, and let's get started from the wings. Or, yeah, the wings are the inner parts, or I mean, the outer parts. Wings are the outer parts, or we can do it them as an inner part, all right, and the caterpillar we will do it in the end, which will be on the top of them. Okay, so let's get started with the wings. Okay, so you can take the digitized close shape also, all right. I mean, but I don't like it. I will just take the complex fill. These things are the same and these things are the same, so there's no difference, as you know. All right, so I will just take the complex fill. I will just start to make it. Okay, I will do the right clicks for the wing, and I will do some things in the end which I will be explaining on the next courses, because those are some advanced stuff. All right, so after pressing enter, the design is closed. All right, and now I will make this one. I was actually using the I was actually using this because it auto closed. So yeah, never mind. I will just use this time. Okay. I am doing everything on the right click, and I will now press the left click because it has a corner. On the corner, using the left click is a very good choice, because doing the right clicks, it will not make a corner, it will make a smooth curve there. So it will not look good. Mm, yeah, I think it is pretty done. Okay, it is done now, and let's make the caterpillar also. So again, I will first make this the two antennas, and I will. Okay, as I was going to show you that only using the complex fill, I can only add one angle. If I press H, it will show me only one angle, which is here. Now I have to press Control and H. Okay, Control and H, which I just did. I will make new angles because I don't want a straight angle on this design. And yeah, it is done, right. So also I will change it into satin fill because it is a small object, and satin fill looks good in the small object. But this time I will take the complex turning. I mean, like, I am pretty addicted to the digitizing, so sometimes I forgot to tell you what tool I am using. So you can just, watch the video and see if I forget, like, I mean, if I forget about telling what I am using. So you can rewatch the video and see what I am using. It will be helpful for you. Okay, these two antennas are made, and let's just use the complex fill again. And now, I mean, like, it is kind of a little bit outside of it, so I will just move it a little bit inside so my stitches doesn't looks like, they are not completed. Okay, so I will just press the button O to deselect it. Okay, and I will press H again, and again I will select them and move it a little bit inside of the caterpillar. All right, so again it is done. All right, so by pressing the button T, I will be explaining these shortcut keys on the next intermediate course. So see you there on that one. So let's just give it the colors. Okay, this one is on the purple color, let's give it a pink color. Okay, and this one also pink color. And for the, I think the stitches are like this are fine, or you can just press SH and change the angle if you want. Okay, I mean, this angle is looking kind of nice, so I will stick to it. And also to this one. All right, so these two are done. Let's make these smaller lines. All right. So for this smaller line, as I told you on the starting class, you can use the run thing. You can use the column A. You can use the column C, and my favorite, complex turning. So I will use the complex turning. So let's start from here. Okay, I will make the this line till here. All right. Hmm. Nope, I did a little bit wrong thing. So let's make this first. I will tell you why. Sometimes if you are getting some mistakes in your tracings, you can press the backspace to go back and nothing else, right? So yeah, let's just make this first. Okay, I will press enter once, enter again, and if I can't make angle, press enter again, and now I can make angle here. Okay, so it is done, and let's make this one now. And as you can see, it is not a little bit overlapping. So I will press O to deselect it, everything. I mean, right. And I will click this, press H, choose these two and bring them a little bit down so they can overlap properly and my design is clean and clear. Okay. So now I will just select the this again and I will press the button T or maybe press the button S so you can only see the lines. I'm doing a little bit rough because I'm in a kind of hurry. So so I can complete this video fast and again press O button, click on this because it is a little bit outside. So press H and move it inside, adjust angle again and ready to go. Let's click outside again, take the complex fill, take the new shape. I will just copy paste it on the other side so it doesn't take a lot of time, you know. Okay, so it is done right. And now I will select it. Okay, I mean, first of all, I will select these three, branch them together, and it is a one shape now, so it won't bother me when I select everything. All right, so I selected it. Okay, and I want to make it, put this here to here. Okay, this is a new thing. You can just, right click, drag it, and it will make a copy of it, right? Again, I will show you. Select everything. Okay, right click, hold, drag it, copy. Okay, other thing is simple. Controls, I mean, like, select things, control C, control V, and move it here. Okay, so I mean, right click is much better than the control C, control V. So I will just, do it mirror. Okay, so after mirror it, I mean, it is like this, right? So I can just, change the angle till I am satisfied. Okay, I think it is perfect. No, it is not. So I will just, move it like this now. Still a little bit bad. So I will click here. I mean, just click on, or maybe, click on this shape. And now you will see these black dots turn into white. And you can manually adjust your angle however you like. Now I can press the keyboard button down, and I can move it freely how where I like and where I want to put. Okay, it is done. And let's do this final thing, which are these kind of two hearts, I think. The butterfly hearts. How do I speak it? Hearts. So yeah. And like this, I will select the angles. And it is done, right? So again, I will take the complex turning. Complex turning is my favorite tool because, I can add angles before exiting my. What just happened here? Oh, okay, never mind. I mistakenly clicked this and made the shape. I will explain it later what happened here. So never mind, and let's do it again. Okay, so and here again. Okay, so it is done, and let's do the last part, which is this one. Oops, I mistakenly pressed enter two times, so it is what it is. Now I can use the holes, add holes. Okay, I can now add the holes, and a hole is added. And now I can control H. Okay. What happened here? Never mind. Okay, I will click it, do control and H. Okay. And now I can add the angles that I wanted. And it is done again. So I will select these three. Okay. I mean, I can select one by one by holding the control button, or I can select like this, or I can click this, then control button hold, click this, and control button hold, click this. Okay, now I can drag this here. Okay, do it mirror, and after that I can again change the angle, something like this. I mean, as you can see again, it is not sitting very nicely, so I will just a little bit. I want to actually select three of them, so My bad again. Okay, so these white dots are available now, and I can just move it a little bit like this, move it with my keyboard arrows, and it fits perfectly. Well, I mean, like I didn't copy it from here, so I just directly moved it. So what I can do is, at these times, you don't have to make I mean, like you don't have to, go back and copy again and paste again. What you can do is you can just, select this, okay? Select this, copy it, okay? Now the design is copied. Now you can go back with the Control Z, okay? And now you can do the Control V and it is here. So again, I will give the colors to them. I will select all of things and deselect the caterpillar. Okay. Now if I see, I have these three. All right. Now I will give them a color, maybe something like pink, very pink. So I will press the button I, which is the branching. Okay. I will start from here and end it here. Okay. So this is branching, or maybe I can start from here and end it over here. Simple as that, all right. So again, as I said, the caterpillar should be in the end, so it will be in the end, like this. Okay, or maybe you can do is, break it apart maybe and select first of, I mean, on the first you can, I mean, connect these two, okay, and then you can connect these two. So there will be only one jump and it will not show a stitch from here to here. Okay, and for the wings also, you have to press select both of them. You can branch them, and now the wing is single. I mean, wings are single. The caterpillar is single. Okay, and this is single, and this is single, and your design is completed. Congratulations. And one more thing that I will show you, which are the underlayer stuff, underlay or something. And these things I will explain in the next course, which is the intermediate course. So thank you for watching again. Hope you like it. And also one more thing, you can just, if you want to check how many jumps you have, you can click this one, the magnifying glass, and you can go to options maybe, check the production film, production summary, press OK, and it will give you something like this. And now you can go to next page. Okay, it is this. These are the okay. These are the color changes. Okay, if I show you, there are 10 trims and 5 stops. So 10 trims and 5 stops. I will show you what is this. So this is, I mean, there is a one trim. There are two trims actually. One will be here and second will be here because the color is ending, so it will trim. Okay, two trims, and after this there is a color switch, so one stop. Okay, then here, okay, two stops, not one trim only, because after making this it will cut, so three trims and one stop. And because we have this also, so I will just delete it. Now if I go back to the design and click this, now it will show me. mm, okay, there is one more design, never mind. So now as you can see here, there are only four trims and three stops, which I already explained. So yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from this course and you can start to make your own shapes and own embroidery and own designs. And thank you for watching. See you on the next course. Bye bye. Take care.